Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE V20, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So for this you will need a SIM eject tool, or actually you don't, but you still need something that you can pull it out with, and I don't think, no, fingernail actually works. Some of them are quite hard to actually pull out, so fingernail might be a little bit too flimsy for that, but this one actually did come out without too much of a problem, though you might want to watch out. If you have maybe longer fingernails, they might break. Anyway, once you take this out, you can see that you have a space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. If you're planning to use dual SIM, you can place one of the SIM cards on the SD tray, but sideways, as you can see right now. But because I'm planning to use one of each, I'm gonna move this over to its dedicated place. There we go. And I'm also going to place my SD card right here. There we go. And from here we can pop it back into our phone. Now you do want to do it carefully. There's nothing really holding those cards in place, and as you can see the SD card did just kind of come out. There we go. So I'm going to fix it up, and now let's slide it all the way in. And as you can see, the cards should start working immediately. SIM card obviously is working for me. It's telling me to confirm the SIM card pin. So there we go. And SD card should be working as well, which we do have a pop-up in our notifications letting us know that it is working, which you can see right here. So that is how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.